up, y'all? It is your girl Glenda, and you are back with another episode of Whatcha Cookin Glenda, grocery haul edition. We are back with another grocery haul. So if y'all hear all the noise and stuff in the background, that's just my husband and my son putting some of these things away. All right, so let's get started. Let's start with this eggs. He already took all the eggs out of here, but we got a 36 count of eggs, 3 dozen eggs. You can take that, thank you. Over here, we've got 3 loaves of the large round top white bread. 3 loaves of that. We got some White Wings flour tortillas. Back here, we've got some chives, some dried chives. We're gonna have some baked potatoes this evening. This was free with the purchase of something, some garlic pepper. So I'll probably try to use that on my baked potato. We also got some little bacon bites, the little crunchy bacon bits, 4 baked potatoes, along with 2 boxes of the jalapeno saltine crackers. If y'all have these in your local grocery store, even if it's like Publix or Kroger or whatever, or even like Aldi, give them a try. I don't know if they're gonna taste as good as the H-E-B brand, but they are good. We've got some Sargento shredded cheese. This is the 4-state cheddar. You see it has shredded natural Wisconsin sharp, New York sharp, California mild, and Vermont sharp cheddar cheese. And we also got the Mexican cheese, 4 cheese Mexican cheese, Monterey Jack, Asadero cheddar, and queso quesadilla natural cheese, as well as the regular sharp cheddar cheese. And then we also got a package of the real bacon bits. I wish you could see inside of there, but all right, so back here I've got 3 of these little mustards. Y'all know I like French's, but these were free with the purchase of something. So I think it was with the purchase of the bread, because I got 3 breads, so I have 3 of these yellow mustards. Then we've got some regular cream cheese, a container of rotisserie chicken salad. For all my H-E-B people out here, if y'all go try this chicken salad, you will not be disappointed. Make sure it's the rotisserie chicken salad though. We have some sour cream for our baked potatoes this evening. And then back here, we got some cereal, some Honey Bunches of Oats. Me and my son, we love those, Marcellus. And then we've got some Frosted Flakes. We got some Fruit Loops. How many of y'all remember the Fruit Loops when you go, your mama send this little piece in and get you 2 free books? Look what it is. All right, and then we want to try these Frosted brand. If y'all have tried these, let me know in the comment section. Frosted brand, Kellogg's Frosted brand. And then some Captain Crunch. We needed some more ranch dressing, so we got a big ranch dressing, and the Catalina dressing. Back here we have some grapes. Up under that is some portobello mushrooms for a recipe. In here is some green onions for the let me back up some, y'all. There we go. I'm gonna cut some of these up for the baked potatoes. And then we got some onions back here. Just a few Roma tomatoes for sandwiches or whatever. We got 3 bell peppers in this bag. And then we got some colored sunrise bell peppers. Let's go back to the back. We got some orange juice back there. And some bacon, the thick cut bacon. We have 2 of those. Up under that is some more breakfast sausages. The old folks pernil. We got the sausage links as well as the patties right there. Then we also have some of these smoked sausages. The Myers, this is a very popular brand. They're actually located in Elgin, Texas. They have a barbecue place, a barbecue restaurant where they sell raw and cooked meats that are very, very, very good. So we have 3 of those. Moving forward, we've got some more sour cream. I'm thinking this is the one I'm going to use for the potatoes. Here we've got some Boar's Head hickory smoked Black Forest turkey breast. And then we've also got some Boar's Head mesquite wood smoked turkey breast. And then we also have some Boar's Head maple glaze honey coated cured turkey breasts. I know we love some summer sausage, so we have 2 of the Slovacek summer sausage. Over here we got some red potatoes and gold potatoes. And what's in that bag? Oh, we went by the little store closer to our house and picked up some baking potatoes for baked potatoes. They normally have like really big baked potatoes. You could pull one out. That's probably gonna be Marcellus's, but let's see what the other ones look like. They normally have really big spuds, but they're not that big right now. That's all right though. And there's the other one. So that's gonna be for our dinner. And then back here in the back, if Marcellus would do me the honors, help me out. Up under that black, we have some watermelon slices. Absolutely delicious. Then we've got some milk back here, 2% milk for the cereal. This lettuce, we got some green leaf lettuce in this little bag right over here. Oh, what he's showing you though. This lettuce right here. Right here. I'm glad it's a bigger lettuce, man, because they've been giving us, you have to take it out. They've been giving us baby lettuce. And then what's in there? Oh, nothing. Okay, and then back there, and this is going to be the end of this grocery haul. We've got some bagels, some cheddar and jalapeno bagels right here, as well as some cinnamon sugar, or what is it? Cinnamon raisin bagels. And y'all saw the cream cheese earlier. And I did get some things from Walmart, but those things are already put up. Mostly, you know, some cleaning supplies and like detergent, a bunch of Febreze sprays for the bathrooms, deodorants, things of that nature. So yeah. Anyway, if you would like to see more videos like this, make sure that you click that like button, make sure you hit subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you're notified every time we upload a new video. And we'll see you on the next episode of Whatcha Cookin Glenda. Say bye, y'all.
Bye bye. Peace.